Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl DreloBayBay here in Maui, and let me take it back real quick and give you guys a proper hello now that we're here in Maui. Aloha! Today I'm doing a review on the Hyatt Regency Maui Resort and Spa, and as you can see, we're driving into the resort now. It's so huge. But don't you worry, I'm going to try my very best to get all the information you need so that you guys can stay here too. Hope you guys enjoy! Alright y'all, so we finally made it to the Hyatt Regency Maui Resort and Spa, and we are valet parking here. Valet parking every night is $40, and then if you want to self-park, which is down a little further and it's a little bit of a walk, it's $25 a night. Right from the entrance, you guys are able to see this beautiful golf course. For all you golfers out there, they have an amazing golf course. But as you can see, right next to the golf course, there's a parking lot where you're gonna do all your self-parking. Alright y'all, let me pause this background music I have going on so you guys can hear how it sounds like. Alright, so what you're seeing on your left is the concierge, and then on your right is the front desk, the bellhop, as well as the valet. Alright y'all, now for the good stuff. We're about to get laid. I mean, are you really in Hawaii till you get laid? Alright, there's my mama, there's my dad, and there's the HBIC, and there I am.
Right now we are right here. You guys are going to be in the center tower here. The elevators are right on that left-hand wall. Our pool, timeshare pool, you can swim at both. They're both open 24 hours. Spa and Fitness Center is here. I will grab you a key for the fitness center. It is a separate key. It's 24 hours. Safest places to enter the ocean are there. Very, very rocky in the middle, so much safer on either side. Concierge is across the lobby every day from 8 to 5. QR code in the room with all the information. Regency Club is right here on the lobby level.
Alright y'all, you guys heard it from the expert yourself, and here's the map she was showing us. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut the background music so you guys can just hear what it sounds like to be here. It's nice, it's peaceful, and you're gonna see a lot of different things here. I'm telling you, this resort has so many things to do, look at, and here we go. This is Nico. Meet Nico, the African gray parrot. Alright y'all, just as a disclaimer, your girl is no bird whisperer, but I will tell you this. These birds were extremely cute, and they actually get switched out every day, so they're in different locations, or you're seeing different birds. So today, these are the birds that are out. So straight off the bat, you are seeing birds all over the place, and it's like a zoo for free, just smack in the middle of the hotel. The kids love it, the adults love it, I love it, I'm sure you guys will love it. It's just amazing. So like I said before, I'm gonna try my very best to get everything in at this resort, but it's a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna fast forward as much as I can so I can quickly get through this video, because I'm sure you guys have places to go and people to see. That's the sushi restaurant called Japango. I will be doing a review on that, so stay tuned for that. And yes, you are seeing penguins right now. Let me introduce you to Nahu, Tai, Buddha, Momi, Mai, and Zen. These penguins are able to stay in warm weather, so yes, they are not suffering. They are out here enjoying it just like I am. These penguins stay out here all night, so you can visit them whenever you'd like. Alright y'all, are you guys ready for the breathtaking view? Here we go! Alright, tell me this isn't paradise, y'all. This is the beautiful view I get to wake up to every morning, and I will show you my room view in just a second, but right here is the place you want to be for your photos. You're going to get the best pictures right here. The grass field you're seeing right there is actually an area where you can play games, and there's also chairs if you want to just sit and read, sit and just look at the view, or even I see people bringing out their computers and they want to do some work from there. It's just a really nice area. And here goes Mama Park and my sister. Look at that. My mom got it on the first try, y'all. All right, and on with the tours, everyone. Let me show you guys the retail area. And before I go, this area right here is where our rooms are. There's no roof, so there's lots of airflow and it doesn't feel so stuffy. Okay, so you just saw a jewelry store on your left, and here is a clothing retail store. And then you got your Honolulu coffee, which I'm telling you, the line gets really, really long in the mornings. And then you're gonna see a souvenir / little marketplace. One is called Accents and it has a little bit of both. And then the one right next to it is more of a souvenir store and it's called Weekends. You can find anything from clothing, accessories, postcards, and even things for your pets. Now this is where you want to go to book your activities, anything that you want to do, anything that you're interested in doing on the island. You can go ahead and there, they will have all the information on that. This is Sun's Steakhouse and I will be doing a review on the steakhouse as well too, so stay tuned for that. Alright, this is the Regency Club and that's their schedule of when they open. Now you can go ahead and upgrade your reservation to include this exclusive lounge access and you enjoy all the things it has to offer. Breakfast, refreshments, snacks, desserts, and then even a little bit of dinner. Now, in order to dine in this area, you need to show proof of vaccination, but if you want to just take it to go and take it up to your room or take it outdoors, you can go ahead and do so. Due to COVID, they're not letting you self-serve, but they are serving for you, so just let them know what you want. And here are some pictures of the foods that I had throughout the day. Alright, and this right here is Sunglass Hut. Next to that is this towel caddy. You will see these around the whole resort. This is where you're going to get your towels and return your towels by just swiping your bracelet, which is also your room key. And go ahead and take as many towels as you want. Just be sure to drop them back off, otherwise you will be charged. Now this little area right here is the Regency Club that I just showed you. This is where you can eat your food if you're choosing to dine in. And if you choose to dine in, this area here is another breathtaking view. This place is called the Oriental Gardens and you can see the streams, the waterfall that they have. There's also birds, swans, flamingos, all kinds, just freely walking around and it's just really nice. The mask mandate here is that you need to keep your mask on indoors at all times, but outdoors you can go ahead and take your mask off. So this area here is just a really nice area to go for a stroll in the mornings or maybe just an evening walk. And don't worry if you are choosing to do a walk during the evening times and it does get dark. They light this area all up so you're still able to walk down this pathway just fine and you're still able to see all the animals as well too. Alright, this little dock they have right here is where you can see the other side of the Sun Steakhouse, which also in the morning times turns into a little place called Swan Court Breakfast, and that's an all-you-can-eat breakfast place. Alright y'all, so these birds that are everywhere are ranging from small to big to really, really big. This swan is huge, okay? This video is not doing it justice, I promise, but these swans are so huge. And look back there, it's flamingos! For those of you guys who are afraid of birds or just any kind of animals, I promise you, these birds could care less if you're there or not. They just mind their own business, let you take pictures, and they just do their own thing. So don't worry, they won't bite, they won't do anything. So I really do recommend that you do come for a walk here. It's really nice and peaceful. Alright guys, am I tiring you guys out yet? Because I am not even halfway done. This is just the beginning. I'm still getting started with showing you this entire resort. When I tell you this place is huge, I really mean it, man. It is so huge. I'm trying my best to get every square foot of this area for you guys. I just want to give a quick shout out to all the workers here making this area beautiful and clean for us to enjoy. We really appreciate you guys out there in the heat with the mask on, cleaning every day. Appreciate you guys. Alright, next we have Ululani's Hawaiian Shaved Ice for all my shaved ice lovers. That's where you want to go to pick up some shaved ice. Now this place is a chain and you can get it anywhere on the islands. It's really good and it's a great way to just cool down with some shaved ice. Alright, who wants to see the ocean? Well, I'm showing you guys right now, this ocean is right next to the swimming pool. So if you want to be out in the ocean, you can go ahead and do so. The sand is so soft, there's no seashells that are poking at your feet. and it's just really nice and peaceful out here. For those of you who don't like the ocean and are scared of the ocean, you can go ahead and go swimming right here in the swimming pool. Now, I know you guys see the waterfall right here, but did you know inside of here is a little cave that is an actual bar? Yes, I'm about to show you the grotto bar. Now, if being in a cave wasn't enough, both ends of the cave actually have waterfalls that you can go through, or you can walk around if you don't want to get wet. Order drinks, swim on back, walk on back, whatever you feel. Now here is the long-awaited swimming pool area that you guys all have been wanting to see. These chairs fill up really, really quickly. So make sure to come out here early so you can get a good spot and you can get your tan on. Now, if you want to have your own little beach cabana, you can go ahead and do so. Just reserve ahead of time. Are you guys seeing this? Yes, they do offer mermaid classes here. So if you're trying to be a mermaid, you can do so here at the Hyatt Regency Maui Resort and Spa. And let me tell you, there is nothing that this resort does not have. Alright, so I pretty much took you around this whole entire area. I'm going to actually take you next to the spa, the fitness center, and areas where you can rent equipment. Okay, y'all ready? Let's go! So here on the left is actually where they perform Drums of the Pacific, and that's the luau that they have on the Hyatt Regency property. Make sure you get tickets to that early if you're trying to watch it because lots of people come here to watch. On your left-hand side, you can see that you can rent any of those water activities, whether it's floaties, surfboards, anything you need. You're going to go over there for your water activity equipment. And this right here is the Marilyn Monroe Spa. From massages to facials to pedicures, they have it all. You can also go upstairs to purchase bags, lotions, creams, any kind of body supplies, facial supplies. They also sell cute bathing suits if you need. They just have everything. Their lotion, by the way, smells really, really good, y'all. If you're here with your significant other or your spouse or whoever, you can come and unwind. If you're here by yourself, you know what they say, self-care is the best care. So come and enjoy yourself here at the Marilyn Monroe Spa. Alright, for all my fitness lovers, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. Next up, we have the Moana Athletic Club. So the fitness center is actually the only place that needs its own key card because your wristbands will not work here. As you can see by the signs they have posted, you have to keep your mask on at all times while you are exercising. And make sure you wipe down and disinfect your machines after you are all done. So as you can see here, the fitness center is actually pretty large. They have your ellipticals, the bikes, your weightlifting area. And it's also really nice and cool inside of here. They have the AC blasting. These are the wipes you can use to disinfect. And then you have your area where you can put your old towels, get new towels, your headphones, your cold towels. They pretty much have everything. Your treadmills. And then let me show you this area. That's where you get your towels. And there's an area for you to refill your water. And then they have the studio in the back for weightlifting, yoga, whatever it is you need the space for. They have it. All right, y'all, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Room tours. That's right, 1511. That's my room, and I'm about to show you my room. As you're seeing here, you just go ahead and scan your wristband and it'll open the door. Hey, 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 aloha, y'all. Excuse the outfit, y'all. Your girl rolled out of bed, got on the plane, and just somehow landed in Maui. Alright, so let me show you around the room. They gave us chocolate-covered strawberries as well as some champagne, and it was really, really sweet of them. It made us feel even more like we were at home. Alright, so let me quickly show you what you got going for your storage areas. You got those compartments right there. You have some drawers here. And then in your rooms, you're going to find these water bottles. These water bottles are crucial and you don't want to get rid of them because this is how you're going to refill your water, and they have refilling stations all around the resort. So you want to hold on to those. You have your desk area here, which comes with a lamp, and you can also plug in your USB cables to charge. You got your compost and your recycle. You also have your thermometer, so you can set the temperature for whatever you like. You know I like it cold, so I had to set it all the way down. All right, and here is the view from my balcony. Let me just open everything up so you guys can see this. This view never gets old, y'all. I wake up to this, I sleep to this. It's just beautiful. All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. I know you guys want to know pricing and all that stuff. This room is actually called the 2 Queen Beds Oceanfront. And the rooms range from 800 and up all the way up to like 1,000. It just depends on when you're trying to come. I actually came during the holiday, so it was a lot more expensive. Probably like closer to 1,000. But that is the starting price point. All right, I know some of you guys are seeing dollar signs right about now after I said that it's about 800 something to stay here every night. Well, do I think that this hotel is on the pricier side? Yes. Do I think it is worth the money though? Absolutely. Everything you need is located at this resort. You don't have to leave the resort at all because you got your dining, you got your entertainment, activities. Everything that you need is here. So it is definitely worth the money. All right, back to the room tours. We have a mini fridge. We have a kettle that will give you some hot water. We got 2 sinks, not 1, but 2 sinks. And then we have this beautiful vanity area where you can do your makeup and the lighting is amazing. You got your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion. And then you have your 2 sinks, which I really love. And then let me show you, this is what it looks like when you turn the water on. You got your clock in the mirror, so that's convenient. Then you got your towel rack, extra towels, your blow dryer. And then right behind your sink, you open up this door and then you got your toilet and then you have your shower. Just a basic shower they have here, the towel racks in the back and some more hangers. And then you have all this closet space if you need. You have a safe as well. And then if you open this up, you got your ironing board and your iron. And then at the bottom of the bed, they have these lights with the sensors on them that sense your motion and then it turns on so you can see where you're stepping at night, which is always a pleasant surprise. And they also have that right by the sinks in the bathroom as well too. Overall, I would give it almost a 10 out of 10, but because the room is not as luxurious as I would hope it to be, I would give this resort a 9 out of 10. Alright y'all, thanks for kicking it with your girl DreloBayBay, and as always, please remember to subscribe, comment, and like. And until next time, aloha! Subscribe, people!